We have a special guest with us today. His name is Bill McBride, and we're especially proud of him because he is a man living with diabetes, and he did something about it. Bill, tell us what you did. I heard you lost 31 pounds, you're off a lot of medications, and you're looking fantastic.
We had a program at the church, Church Take Charge, and as a result of that, I started exercising every day. I started walking every morning, 5 days a week, and then I started changing my diet. And that was the most important thing, changing the diet along with the exercise. As the results of that, I have lost 31 pounds.
Fantastic. What about your medications?
At the time, I was on 6 medications.
Wow.
I've been taking off 1. 3 have been reduced as the results of my exercising and dieting. And as of January the 17th, I go back to the doctor, and if everything goes according, they're going to take me off 3, which will leave me just on 2 medications.
Well, you know, studies say that 1 out of 3 people will be diagnosed with diabetes. We have reduced our numbers by just seeing differences in what Bill has done. And I hope you've been an inspiration to your family, but also your church as well.
Yes, a lot of people have noticed the difference in my weight and asked me what I'm doing. And I've encouraged others to do the same thing.
Wonderful. Now, I hear you got some good moves in the gym, but I heard you had some better moves in the kitchen.
Oh, yeah. I'm going to show you this morning.
Show me what you can do, what you made of.
Okay. We're going to do some tilapia this morning.
Okay.
And we're going to mix up the ingredients at this time.
All right. We have some diced mango, some peppers, and green and red bell peppers. So we're going to mix all those ingredients together. And we're going to add some rice wine vinegar, some cilantro, and our parsley. Now, you're going to season up our tilapia?
Oh, yes.
Okay. What are you doing about your salt? You cutting your salt back?
Just a little pinch of salt. Just a little.
You've been listening.
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's put a little bit on our tilapia.
A little pepper.
Okay, and we're going to put it on our fish as well. Just stir that up.
Stir it up. Get it all mixed up here together.
All right, we're going to give this a rest. All right, you want to season up the fish for me? Here, let's use our salt and pepper right here. We just use a little bit of salt. It keeps your blood pressure down, correct?
It's one of the first things I had to correct.
We could throw a little bit more pepper. All right. Okay, now we're going to put this in a baking dish. We're going to bake our fish as opposed to fry. So let's spray our pan.
Let me spray the pan here first. So
let's put our fish in. All right. Bill, look like we're ready to take this to the oven. You want to put it in for me?
Okay, put this in the oven, and we're going to bake it at 350.
350 for about 10 minutes till it's done. Perfect. So, well, let's make some couscous.
Okay.
All right. Couscous. It is a great complex carbohydrates, high in fiber, and it really tastes good. It's something that we as African Americans, we don't eat a lot of. I encourage our viewers to look at this and take some notes and try this dish because it's very heart healthy for you. We're going to add a little bit of oil.
Okay.
Our pan is already hot, and we're going to saute up our onions. You want to stir this up for me, Bill?
Okay.
We're going to add our onions and our bell pepper. Couscous goes really quick. It cooks up really fast. Now we're going to add a little bit of flavor. We're going to add our chicken base.
Oh, this is smelling good.
We'll add a little bit of oregano and thyme combined. And we add 1 cup of couscous. 1 cup of couscous to 3/4 of a cup of liquid. This cooks really quick. Really quick. It's going to swell up. You don't want to add too much water because it'll get too soggy on you. You stir that up. And the minute the water evaporates, we'll add our craisins and our golden raisins. You're gonna help me with that? Have you tried couscous before?
No, but I'm looking forward to it.
All right, let's add our craisins. Let's add a little bit more craisins. The dried fruit adds more fiber to your diet. Helps you reduce your risk with colon cancer. And a little bit more raisins.
This is smelling good and
all right, let's spread it out a little bit. It's almost ready, that quick. We're gonna let this rest in this pot for 3 minutes. It'll be ready real soon. Enjoy. Wonderful. Thank you, Bill. For detailed recipes and more information, visit us at ebonynutrition.org.